Hey, what's up guys? These are cheat hacks that I do to get shredded. Building these habits, it just makes me feel a lot better because I know from my mental state before, when I was out of shape, I had a belly, I stuck out past my chest, my skin was bad, I had bags. I used to feel depressed, I used to have suicidal thoughts, and now my mental health has been a lot better. I feel like I could better manage my life. I feel more confident. I feel like I like the way that I look and I need to maintain it and build off of it. It makes me feel powerful, like I'm a UFC fighter on weigh-in day, or I'm my own superhero. I'm my own professional athlete, and that's how you guys gotta look at it when you guys go to the gym and you step through those doors. It's game time and you guys gotta perform, because I know when I go into the gym, I'm bumping out high capacity volume as much as I could do, and you could tell the difference between me, my shoulders, my arms, my abs, my legs versus a soft person. And everybody could get on this journey. It's up to you whenever you're ready. I've been in the gym for about 5 weeks and I pretty much focus on my sleep. I go to the gym when it opens at 5 in the morning, and I also go to the gym in the evening time around 5 p.m. after work. I track my macros. I'm eating whole foods. I hydrate with water. I journal so that I could write out my thoughts and what I want to do, because I know what I say is my word. My word is my bond. And if I say that I'm going to go to the gym twice a day, my macros are going to be on point, I will actually do it. Because throughout time, how many people have disappointed you? You guys don't want to be that person to yourself. You want to keep your word to yourself, essentially. So make sure you guys focus on like free weights, Stairmaster, do like light cardio. Don't do anything too crazy. And increment slowly. If you guys are doing a machine, you guys can increment up 5 pounds, 5 pounds. If you guys are doing a squat, you can increment with like 2.5 plates, 5-pound plates, 10-pound plates, so that you're not injured. Make sure you stretch out before or do a lighter weight to test it out, because I noticed when I was doing the squats, my left knee, it was super, super tight and I had to stretch it out the whole time. Take your ego, throw it out the window. I want you guys to consume content online. Also for audiobooks, you guys can listen to that Can't Hurt Me book by David Goggins or other creators, so that you're immersing yourself into these kinds of content. Also prepare your meals the day before. Make sure you put everything into the Lose It app or the MyFitnessPal app. Make sure you weigh out your food when it's cooked or when it's thawed out, and get used to these kinds of foods. Learn to love it. It's kind of like if you guys like ice cream, you can get Chobani Zero yogurt and you guys can put bananas in it, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, those kinds of things, and it actually tastes like ice cream. I eat Dave's Killer Bread. I have 2 eggs, bacon in the morning with some peanut butter. I have rice and ground beef and vegetables. Make sure you eat green vegetables like broccoli or salads or even like cauliflowers, those kinds of things. Try and keep your fats lower because it's 9 calories per gram. I normally try and keep my fats around 50 to 60. Sometimes I go a little over. If you guys need to eat a cheat meal, you guys can reduce the amount of foods that you're eating earlier on before you go out. That way when you go out, you're not feeling guilty about eating, because your physical reality and your mental reality, it could be one and the same. Alright, if you guys got cravings, get rid of your cravings. If you guys need to focus on your sleep, you guys could get a Whoop band to track your sleep. Make sure you're getting 6 to 7 to 8 hours. Make sure you're cutting out people that are not on the self-development journey, or reduce the amount of time that you're spending with these people. I also want you guys to be understanding. If you slip up, if you make a mistake, we're all human. Just make sure that you're aware of what you're doing. You're aware of your condiments, the oils that you're using, because I normally use sriracha and sugar-free ketchup or barbecue sauce, versus if you're using the regular stuff, there's so many carbs in it. There's so much sugar in it. And It's okay if you go over. It's okay if your sleep is messed up or you miss a workout. Just get back on it the next day and try and build consistency. Prove to yourself that you're worthy of having a healthy body, of being strong, of looking great, of feeling great. Because if I can do it, you could do it. It's possible. You see other people in the gym doing it as well. You would have to figure out a way of how to gamify the system where you're tracking your workouts, your weight, your exercises, the reps, and you can give yourself points if you complete certain tasks. I'm pretty sure there's certain applications where they have leaderboards. The Whoop Band, I know they have leaderboards. Make sure you guys eliminate any drugs that you're on. Stop smoking. Stop drinking, because those can have a negative impact on your body and they're a waste of money. Make sure you guys get a rice cooker and an air fryer. I normally cook my ground beef on the stove. I cook my eggs on the stove as well. Create a shopping list for the things that you need and buy those specific foods. Try not to buy junk foods. Buy a lot of berries, a lot of vegetables that are frozen pre-cut. It makes food prepping a lot easier. Make sure you guys get hot sauce and sugar-free ketchup. Also look into non-stick sprays and use them lightly. Make sure you aim for 1 gallon of water a day so that you're hydrated throughout your gym session. Because I noticed when I was only drinking 1 shaker bottle of water, I would be dehydrated midway or towards the end of the workout. So you can drink up to 3 shaker bottles of water and give your body time to absorb it before you go to the gym. Some people like to do fasted cardio or fasted gym sessions. I personally don't think that it matters on if I split up my meals so that they're smaller throughout the day. My blood sugar is more consistent versus if I'm eating 1 or 2 meals a day. Earlier on with the intermittent fasting, I noticed that I'm hungrier towards the end of the day. For water fasting, I personally have used it in the past. I just wasn't consistent with it. Same thing with carnivore. I can eat rice, I can eat bread and still look like this in the morning. Let me know what hit the hardest in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll check you guys in another video. And if you guys want me to coach you guys, let me know. Free game. Peace.